Here we'll do a word problem, proportion word problem. And there are multiple different ways you could set up this problem. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways and how you arrive at the same answer as long as you set it up in a proper way. So the way that I always think of it is you set up 24 cookies to 9 ounces of flour. And then the question asks how many cookies, so we don't know. So we say X cookies divided by 5 ounces of flour. And I wrote the words in there to help us understand why it's set up that way. Notice that on both sides, cookies is on top of the fraction. So to solve a problem that has division, you multiply. The opposite of dividing by 5 is multiplying. And if you want to put the word on there, ounces, you can do that. And you'll see also that literally the word ounces, the number 5 cancels. And so the unit that's left over is cookies. Over here on the left side, same thing. The word ounces cancels. And all I need to do is 5 times 24 divided by 9. So if I grab my calculator and I go 5 times 24 divided by 9, I get 13.3. 13.3 is how many cookies X is going to be. So 13.3 equals X, and that is how many cookies there are. Now you might have set it up differently. Another way you could have set up this problem is you could have said, well, I don't know how many cookies I'm going to make, but I'm comparing that to 24 cookies because we knew something about 24 cookies. And over here, X is the new situation. X matches up with 5 ounces, and 24 matches up with 9 ounces. You could have done this exact this same problem, but with a completely different setup. But I want you to notice that the matching things are still on the top and on the bottom. In the red example, cookies were on top and ounces were on bottom. In the purple example, we have our 5-ounce batch on top, cookies and ounces, and our 9-ounce batch on the bottom. And so either way, you're still comparing things that are the same type of thing on the top to the bottom. To solve this problem, you can notice right off the bat the words cancel out, so you're just left over with numbers, and you cancel out a divided by 24 by multiplying by 24. So that leaves us with X equals 5 divided by 9 times 24. Let me move this out of the way. Times 24. Good. And that's the same as doing what I did before, 5 times 24 over 9. It gives me X equals 13.3. So as long as you set up your fractions where you have the same type of thing on the top and on the bottom of each side, you're going to be okay. You would get in trouble if I wrote X over 24 equals 9 over 5. That's flipping over the relationship. So be careful and make sure that you're setting it up consistently so that your two tops agree with each other and your two bottoms also agree. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any other questions that you would like me to do.